Hey, this is Dylan with Beaver Toyota, and this is your Car Tip Tuesday. For today, we're going to show you how to put on your spare tire. Here we have a 2024 Toyota Camry, and say you get a flat tire, I'm going to show you how to change it. So when you have a flat tire, you want to park somewhere safe, and from there you're going to go to your trunk, and in your trunk, most cars are going to be equipped with your jack, spare tools, and spare tire. So all you're going to do is just take all your tools out and your spare tire. And then from here, you're going to get your jack out. Then you're going to get your lug nut tool. This is a 21. It goes on most Toyotas. And then this is the tool to raise your jack. So the biggest thing here is a lot of people don't know where to jack it up. So on a lot of mid-size SUVs, sedans, they have what's called a pinch weld. And with that pinch weld is where you should be jacking your car up. And so as you can see on the jack, there is a little divot here. And you want to line that up on what kind of looks and feels like a fin. That's where you should always be jacking your cars up. So from there, you're just going to hook your tool in to this hole. You're going to take the lug nut tool, and on the back there's a square hole that fits on there. All you do is snap it in, and then you're just going to turn. You're going to start to raise. But before you get all the way up, you want to get yourself a little secure there, and then all you're going to do is you're going to loosen your lug nuts while your tire's still on the ground. So that way it is easier to break loose. These are torqued down at 79 foot-pound, so it takes a lot of strength just to knock them loose. So if you have trouble breaking it loose like that, what you can do is just put it on there and then just use your body weight and just push down. And all you're doing is loosening. So after everything's loose, you're going to want to raise it. So from there, after you're jacked up and you have space under your tire, then you could just finish taking the rest of the lug nuts off all the way. So now you just want to set your lug nuts to the side, somewhere where you don't lose them. And from there, you just pull the wheel off. Now, you can use your spare, roll it over, and then just slide the studs with the holes on the wheel. And then from there, just put your lug nuts back on. And so after you hand tighten your lug nuts, you want to go with your tool and then just tighten until you start to feel pressure, and then you're just going to lower it back down. And now that the weight's all back on the wheel, now you just want to make sure it's tight again and just go all the way around. After you have your spare wheel on, then you can take your tire that has a nail, flat, whatever it is, and bring it to your closest dealership, and they will put it back on. And once again, this is Dylan with Beaver Toyota, and this is your Car Tip Tuesday.